Alright, so here I am, just taking a picture of a nature walk here. Nice tree, as you can see, and then... Huh? What's that in the tree? Okay, is that what I think I see? Well, I'll be damned. It is. A turkey on a tree. Well, now if you look down here, there's water, so hopefully he doesn't fall in the water, so... Interesting. What do you call that?
Turkey vulture.
Turkey vulture. Is it a turkey vulture? Don't know.
Yeah. I think.
I'm gonna call this a tree turkey. What do y'all guys think that this thing is?